Rytash, family owned and operated. Today we're going to be covering a very versatile strap, the Lasso strap. Whether you decide to go over the tire as seen in this photo, or you choose to go through the wheel as seen in this photo, or you just have something small you need to tie down in your trailer and don't want to have 25 foot of extra strap, the versatility is unmatched. With 3 different ratchet ends to choose from, the chain hook, the snap hook, or the flat hook, Rytash has you covered. Let's get into it. Hello and welcome to a brief tutorial on how to properly use the Rytash Lasso straps. As you can see here, they're available in many different colors. Before we get started, you should know that there are many federal regulations as well as state regulations that vary from state to state. If you have any questions about the safety of your load, please check with your local Department of Transportation. A quick tip to make tying down the tires easier on a vehicle especially is you'll notice over here there's a core drip protector on the tire. I put it around one side of the face of the tire, opposite side of the loop, to help with adjusting the strap. You'll notice when you try and adjust your strap that it may become tied up on one or both sides. By doing this, it alleviates the tension on one side and allows you to snugly tie down the strap. Make sure you don't over tighten the straps. I'm going to quickly show you what it looks like when it's fully tightened. You start being snug here and here. Straps are in the correct position. Tighten down. Make sure you get a full rotation on the ratchet. No matter what ratchet you're using, you need a full rotation where the strap is actually touching the round wound part of the strap. Lock the strap down, lock the ratchet down. If you can see, I've got a small indentation on each side, which shows me they're extremely snug and they're not going anywhere. Be sure not to pinch the tire. If you over tighten, you can bust a band in the tire. That concludes today's video. Be safe and happy hauling.